Hello, I'm Dr. Juma Sadukhan. I'm Associate Professor at the University of Surrey. Today is a very beautiful day. It's snowing for the first time in the season at Surrey, whereabout I live in, and I also work at the University of Surrey. So I'm loving it, and therefore I decided to actually do it in the snowfall, so I'll be covered in snow by the time I finish the video. My expertise is in life cycle assessment, and since 2011 I have started working on life cycle assessment. I'm a fellow of the Institution of Chemical Engineers, and I'm a chartered engineer and a chartered scientist. I'm now a practitioner of life cycle assessment, and I am actually hired as a consultant for doing the life cycle assessment for policymakers, for businesses, to inform evidence-based policy making using life cycle assessment. Life cycle assessment is absolutely important these days because given that we have a big challenge of net zero carbon future, we got to make sure that throughout the entire system, cradle to grave, the carbon footprint is really low. Whatever we do in our life, everything consumes finite resources of the earth, land, water, mineral, fossils, etc. And also, by doing that, we generate emissions to the environment, and Earth has really limited capacity to assimilate so much growing pollutions. So this is a very important course in University of Surrey, and students are very pleased, have always been very pleased with this module. This module is ENGM 253 Life Cycle Assessment, University of Surrey, and if you Google search, you will be able to find the module. This is a very unique module internationally because it is the only module that gives on hands-on training of doing an LCA. We'll be looking at a system, draw its system boundary from raw material extraction, manufacturing, use to the end of life recycling for the circular economy principles, and we will evaluate its environmental impacts. It's a unique problem solving skill you will gather by attending this module. And a lot of my colleagues say that for life cycle assessment practitioners, demand is much higher than the supply. You will never run out of job. So enjoy, guys.